everyone, and welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. Today is our next episode in our St. Louis Forest Park series. Today, we're visiting the Science Center. General admission to the Science Center here in St. Louis is absolutely free. So, we're going to take a look around. Every day at the Science Center, there are live science demonstrations, as well as scientists that you can ask questions to. So this area is a replica of a fossil dig site in the Badlands National Park. And Matt and I got the opportunity to go to the Badlands this year. And we didn't get to dig for fossils, but we got to see them work on some fossils. And that's exactly what you get to do here.
In there that are filled with siderite or siderite, a mineral. The black is the siderite.
Okay.
And it almost looks like wood to a lot of people.
Yeah.
But you can see all kind of orifices and holes.
It's really neat. So the brain case to a triceratops. That's just amazing.
Well, it's possibly triceratops. We know it's dinosaur.
Okay.
But sometimes things are identified as a different dinosaur once it's all cleaned up. So,
that's amazing. Well, thank you for sharing that with me today.
This is a 3D mold of the brain case of the inside of a triceratops brain case. And we ran this through a CT scanner at Washington University Research Hospital. Got that information, fed that into our 3D printer, printed this out in two halves.
Okay.
Glued them together, painted it so people can see the different areas of what would be the brain to the triceratops.
That's amazing.
This here is the side that is all eroded and some bleached and not so pretty. You can still feel sand on it.
Right. Oh, wow.
So when people ask if it's real, sometimes I do this and show them
Yeah.
that it's real.
It's really real. That's really, really cool.
The other side is shiny because
people have been
people's hands
and touching it. Yeah. That's why she wears gloves. Yes. Excellent. Been to the Grove Center before. We're gonna go check it out. So Grove is one of the most interesting places. It's basically put here to teach people about how food is grown and where it comes from. Obviously there's native trees, berries, and I guess peach and apple trees, and they're all marked. And the food here is dispersed throughout the community in various and sundry ways. Like the volunteers here do get some, and they're looking to donate some food, and as well as they're looking to sell some in kind of a farmer's market kind of thing, but they haven't figured that out yet. So that's very interesting to walk around and see the native species everywhere. They even have chickens here at Grove. And they do demonstrations and talks on them on Wednesdays. sneak peek into the bumblebees. I don't have to just look at them on camera. This is what happens when you ask questions. It's all good. These are the bumblebee box, and I've been told that their scientific name is Bumbus impatient. So they fit with me pretty well. I'm impatient. Oh. So why the red light?
So these bumblebees will live underground, and the red light, it's not easily as picked up.
Gotcha.
For them.
There's so much to explore and to do at the St. Louis Science Center. I could have spent hours walking around, doing experiments and building things. I hope you get the opportunity to explore the St. Louis Science Center at some point. Until next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.